Hello my friends, welcome to this invigorating yoga flow, which is here to increase our concentration, determination and trust in our body and in the surrounding nature of which we are all a part. Okay, let's open this class with this sun salutation flow. Inhale, reach up, exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward, exhale, step into plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. The sun salutation form is an excellent means how to get connected to our body and to our breath. And it allows us open the energy flow through our bodies. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step into the plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. And let's repeat it one more time in your own rhythm. Excellent. Now we will dive deeper into the warrior postures. So step your right foot back. Inhale, reach up into warrior one posture. Open your chest and with exhalation, transit into the warrior two posture, opening your hips. Inhale, reach back to the peaceful warrior. Exhale, reach forward into the side angle pose. Your upper arm can reach forward, and from here touch the ground right into the plank pose, Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Beautiful. And let's do this on the other side. Now you step your right foot forward into warrior one posture. Open your chest, look up. Exhale, open your hips right into the warrior two posture. Inhale, reach back into the peaceful warrior. And engage your core, transit into the side plank pose, side angle pose. Look forward, reach forward, touch the ground, and let's flow it through Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. Beautiful. Okay, let's repeat this sequence one more time, this time with more fluidity and strength. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step your right foot back. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, side angle pose. Lengthen and twist into the twisted side angle. Lengthen your upper arm. Bring your gaze up to the sky. Touch the ground, and let's float through Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot forward. Inhale, warrior one posture. Exhale, warrior two posture. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Lean to the back. Exhale, side angle posture. Reach forward. And let's twist into the twisted side angle pose. So your left hand touches ground and look up to the sky. Exhale, touch the ground, and let's float through Chaturanga Dandasana, upper facing dog, inhaling, and downward facing dog. Beautiful. Look forward, step forward, roll up. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step your right foot back. Inhale, warrior one posture. And interlace your fingers behind your back. Look up, open your chest. Point your chest up to the sky. It is a balanced, challenging posture if you don't have a reference point. And let's transit right into the humble warrior pose. So your left shoulder is close to your left knee. And breathe deeply. Now look forward, step forward. And let's transit into the standing pigeon pose. Your fingers are still interlaced and pointing up to the sky. If your balance is challenged, try to activate your body core, your Mula Bandha, and concentrate on your breath. Nice. Touch the ground, and from here let's transit right into the sitting pigeon pose and release your body with some beautiful body waves. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, bring your chest to the ground. Nice. And let's play in this pigeon pose. You can interlace your fingers behind your back. Open your chest, look up, shine with your heart up to the sky. Or you can bring your palms behind your head, making a small hammock, and release the upper part of your thoracic spine. Nice. Touch the ground, and let's flow it through Chaturanga Dandasana, upper facing dog, and activate your toes right into the downward facing dog. Beautiful. And let's do the same sequence on the other side, right in the warrior one posture. So your right foot is forward, interlace your fingers behind your back, look up, shine up with your chest bone, find your balance, find your stability. Exhale, bring your chest close to the front knee, right into the humble warrior. Your fingers are still pointing up to the sky. Look forward, shift to your right foot, and fold right into this standing pigeon pose. So your chest is close to your right knee and left foot, and your fingers are pointing up. Focus on your right foot and feel how it is connected to the ground. Touch the ground and let's transit from here directly into the sitting pigeon pose. And let's get connected to your breath with these beautiful breathing waves. Beautiful. And let's interlace your fingers behind your back again and shine up with your heart. Reach up, join your palms behind your head and release the thoracic spine in this beautiful handmade hammock. Okay, let's touch the ground and let's float through Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, look up to the sky, and exhale, bring your seat up right into the downward facing dog. Look forward, step forward, roll up, inhale, reach up, and exhale, fold. Look forward, step your right foot back, inhale, reach up, and let's get directly into the pyramid pose. So your hips are square, and you can connect your palms behind your back, and let's fold. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and with exhalation, bring your chest bone closer to the front leg, which is extended. Touch the ground, and let's transit directly into this twisted half moon pose. So your left foot and right fingers are touching ground, and you are twisted. Let's step back into the high lunge, touching the back thigh with your left hand, and let's float through Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Beautiful. Let's step your right foot forward, reach up, inhale, right into the pyramid pose. Your hips are square, your palms are connected behind your head, and you fold forward, approaching your chest bone to the front right extended leg. Nice. Okay, let's transfer your weight forward, and now your right foot and left fingers are touching ground right into the twisted half moon pose, and from here inhale, reach up right into the high lunge. Your right fingers are touching the back thigh. Nice. Touch the ground and let's float through Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog. Activate your toes, bring your seat up, downward dog. Step forward and roll up. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, bring your palms down. And let's step into the plank and float through Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog, and child's pose. Nice. Okay, we will open our chest and hips in the camel pose. We are kneeling, touching our heels with our hands and pushing our hips forward. Okay, inhale, climb up and exhale right into the child's pose and release any tension. Close your eyes and connect to your breath. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. And inhale, let's step directly into the yogic Malasana squat. Open your hips, join your palms and push your knees outward with your elbows. Nice. And from here, we will do the earth salutation. Let's begin in the Dandasana posture. Extend your knees and twist from your belly button, touch the ground behind your head and approach your head to the ground. Inhale, reach up, twist to the other side, touch the ground behind your back and touch the ground with your front. Nice. This is the earth salutation. Very nice posture to refresh our spine. Okay, and let's fold forward right into the Paschimottanasana posture and enjoy the deep release within your exhalation. Inhale, lengthen your spine and exhale, relax. Excellent. And from here, let's transit directly into the Matsyasana fish pose, getting on your forearms and elbows and shining up with your chest bone. Your head touches the ground. Beautiful. And this is the time to get to our final posture, which is Shavasana. So important always to integrate all the benefits we have received within our practice. So join your body with the ground and scan your body. How do you feel from within? Go through your toes, legs, hips, back, shoulders, arms, neck and head. Imagine the energy flow through all the body and feel gratitude for all the benefits we have received within this practice. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I wish you a wonderful day and look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.